Hi there. Happy Monday. Today is May 11th. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday celebrating your mom or your grandmother or someone that's special in your life. Um, Today, I want to talk to you just for a few minutes about your assignments. First of all, we will be having our book club Zoom discussion today at 1 o'clock. So the link and the password is right here below, but I've staggered the times. So if you are reading the book Shiloh, you are going to come at 1 o'clock. Don't forget to bring your literature group paper, and we're going to meet from 1 to 1:20. And then at 1:20, those of you that are reading Esperanza Rising, you will enter in at 1:20. I'll dismiss the Shiloh group, and the group that's reading Esperanza Rising will come and we'll meet and we'll discuss for 20 minutes. And then at 1:40, I will dismiss that group and I'll send in, or I'll admit the next group, which will be Paint the Wind. And then we'll meet for 20 minutes. So I'm actually really looking forward to this time because it'll be a small group. We'll be able to talk a little bit about the book. You're going to be able to share some of your favorite parts or maybe questions or wonderings that you might have or pictures you've created in your mind. And then also, each of you will share your literature circle paper, and you also, as a group, decide what role you would like to do next, which literature circle paper you would like to do and complete for our next meeting. So this week you have new reading assignment, so make sure you go to your tab. You will have a new form to complete and your literature paper. And then for math this week, I would like for you to log in to Beast Academy, and you're going to go to the puzzle section again, but this time you're going to go to the Sum Blogs. And don't forget that when you log in, go ahead and hit lab. Once you click on lab, you don't want the honeycomb puzzles. You want to find Sum Blobs. And they've actually added a couple new ones. So it looks like there are 6 of them. So go ahead and click on Sum Blobs. And you can start, I would suggest maybe starting with 2 dozen. If you forget how to do the Sum Blobs, there is an explanation here. But also, don't forget, if you click on that and you can't remember, you can click on the I for the instructions, and it will give you the step-by-step instructions on how to solve these problems. There are, I believe, 6 of them, yes. So your job for this week is to work your way through those puzzles. We are going to have a Zoom on Thursday at noon, and it will be math. Any questions that you have on these Sum Blobs, maybe there's one that you're stuck on that you need help with, or maybe you just want to come and do math with us and work on your problems, and we can work on them together, or maybe you want to work for that hour, and if you've got a question, then I'll be here to answer. So I will be available on Thursday. So our 2 meeting times will be Monday for our Shiloh or our book club Zoom, and then on Thursday for your Sum Blob puzzles. I will be here to help. So that's for math. Social studies, your job is to finish your government page. I have went ahead and wrote down the email and the password. Make sure that you have all the required information on your Google page, because when I go ahead and grade these, I'm going to take a look to make sure that you've got correct spelling, punctuation, and all the requirements that were needed. So go back and visit that page, and remember, you need to go to your online social studies page, and that will give you all the requirements that you need to put into your site. So there you have it. And hopefully you've been working on it. I've seen some of your pages. They're coming along. They're looking really great. So if you have forgotten what to do, please look on here. I added something optional. So if you're up for a challenge, I would love for you to try and attempt this. So that is what you will be doing today. Keep learning. You are working well. I appreciate how hard you're working. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to seeing you at noon. Have a good day. Bye.